Hello Stephen, it's you again. How you doing? You ready for your fitting?
Very well, thanks.
Come on.
Are you filming by any chance?
What's that?
Are you filming by any chance?
Yes, I am. Yeah, you haven't put on your radio voice yet?
Oh, I must now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, it's me, Steve. Yes, I'm here again with Phil at Hair for All, at their head office.
Do you like our head office?
Your head office is beautiful. Coffee's very nice. I had to make it myself, but that's okay. At least I know what's in it.
Good
I'm
one,
a bit
mate.
worried by all the fishing bags I found in the fridge.
Oh, you got tons of personality. Even more so when you put your hair on, right?
Absolutely. It all goes out the top of my head otherwise.
Using the cream adhesive at the front, you've got to get wet into the hair system to finish the fitting, and if we did that on video then it would just lift, because it needs 24 hours without any moisture into the lace or onto the adhesive. And that rash on the back of Steve's head is where he caught it. How do you do it, Steve?
I was mowing the lawn and we got a very low cherry tree.
Right.
And it hit me. But thankfully the hair that was on saved it from going any deeper.
Yeah,
So
there's another good point. Well, the great news is that Steve's offered to go and see inquiries in the West Midlands area for me. Friendly chap, wears a hair system now for quite a while, can teach you most things. So what areas would you go to, Steve?
As you said, Phil, the West Midlands, so you can go really M4, M5 corridor as far south as Cheltenham, Gloucester, and as far north as Wolverhampton, the top of the M42 up to Ashby to Zouch, Measham, that area.
Yeah.
So it's the West Midlands, really.
Oh, good. And that will fit in with your radio DJing work? Yeah?
Absolutely, not a problem at all. I'll be all done and dusted and able to go out and see people, you know, during normal office hours in their homes.
Right, okay,
And
cool.
yeah, have a sit down, a consultation, and see really what they want their hair to look like. So I think it's very important. I found when speaking with you, when you first chatted to me about what you want and how it's going to look.
Yeah.
You know, it can be scary. I think we take it for granted now how good it looks and how we couldn't cope without it.
So you're even going to offer counselling as well?
Yeah, that's me. Well, I think that's a very important part
it's
of it,
massive.
isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Massively important. And I'm glad to answer any questions that are asked of me.
Yeah.
There's no no-go areas, let's put it that way.
Excellent stuff.
Before my very eyes, I'm being transformed here. I always enjoyed fitting, you know, Phil.
Have you?
Really enjoy fittings, yeah.
That party looks amazing.
Incredible, isn't it? Absolutely incredible. I've never known hair as good as this. Never.
You've never had hair as good as this even
No.
when you were little.
Well, my own hair.
What was your hair used to be like? Was it quite thick when you were younger?
Yeah, it was actually. It was quite thick and mop-like.
Right.
But
What, like a mullet?
actually, I did have a mullet at one point.
I think
I
we
had a
all
bit of
did.
Billy Ray Cyrus going on, yeah. Back in the early 80s.
Yeah.
And then it all started to fall out. I started losing my hair, gosh, early 20s. So it went pretty quickly. It's all taking shape, isn't it?
Yeah. There I go.
Close my eyes.
Just showing the flexibility of the hair system we just fitted. Smile, Steve.
Sorry.
Just move it in any direction. Let's go for a forward look. Off. Smile.